So what your name is Washim,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
and what was your subjects in your graduation?
Sir, B computer. So in that we work on data structure, Python, database, networking.
Okay, okay. So you see these options, all different options for intensive. You are able to see my screen, right?
Yeah, yeah, sir.
Okay. So you were trying to say that you worked as a data analyst,
Yes, sir.
right? So that is point number 7.
Mm.
Okay. But the work which you have done is just you have installed Power BI and you have taken some data through files or tables or database, something like that. You have joined them and created a dashboard.
Yes, sir.
Correct. Okay.
Yeah.
So for a data analyst job profile, that is not enough. Okay.
Mm.
So for a data analyst job profile, especially when now AI, ML, ChatGPT and all booming, right? So you need to learn a whole lot of things to get a job.
Mm.
Okay. So that includes you have to specially learn RDBMS, right? Anyone you can take, MySQL or Oracle. You have to learn about all different types of NoSQL databases. Okay. Then
Mm.
all different types of files, flat files, JSON, right, .txt, CSV files, right. So those kind of data, how you do queries, joins, all different types of analysis on that data, right. How do you store the data? How do you maintain the data? How do you archive the data, right? How do you secure the data? There are a lot of things is there. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then in the cloud, when you talk about, let's say, AWS cloud or GCP or Azure, right? So in any of those clouds also, what all data related services are available, right? Where they store, how they are managed. You have to learn those cloud services as well.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
Then coming to about your machine learning and artificial intelligence, right? So in those cases, there are so many different AI models are available nowadays, right?
Mm.
You basically train those models, right? Using by training those models only, you can use those. There are some cloud services or some companies which are coming up with the facilities to train them and keep it ready for you to use, right? So when you say that you have used a model and you have implemented chatbot, right, you are basically just making a call to API, and just from the UI you are sending the text and then getting the response back and you are displaying back, right? So that is not enough. So you have to learn the internals of it. You have to learn how to train them,
Mm-hmm.
right? So these all different things are required for a person who needs to join as a data analyst or
Okay.
data scientist.
Mm.
Okay. So in our internship, that is what we teach. Now the internship which you have done, you are a part of the team, and then your seniors have just assigned couple of things. So they did not train you end to end for a data analyst what all things are there and how you have to learn, what all things you have to learn.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So for in our company, for any job position or any other company, any job positions, you have to get ready for all those. Okay. And this is where we are giving you a training to teach you each and everything related to that subject.
Okay.
If you see here, you have around 14 different options. So these are the different job profiles. And for each job profiles, what all different things you have to learn, we train you and keep you ready with each and everything with the practical application development, and along with the assistance to tackle or answer all different types of questions which are asked in the interview. See, so on your day-to-day discussions or sessions or meetings or your assignments, we'll be explaining you and training you how you need to appear in the interview and what you need to answer when you have certain questions asked.
Okay.
Clear? So this
Yes.
is what it is. Now, if you are interested for this training, then you can let me know.
Yeah. Sure. Sure. Sir, I'm interested.
Okay, so this is what it is. So let's discuss it offline, right? You think through, and I will tell you what are the cost and all other things are there. And if that works for you, then you can go for it.
Okay.
All right. So if you have any question, you can ask me.
What is the offline location?
Not offline location. I mean, outside this meeting, I'll call you separately, and then we will. I will tell you if you are interested.
Okay, means
Everything will be online. So when I
may
meet
I know, sir, what
offline,
about the fees?
yes, the fees is if you want to do for 6 months, right? So for 6 months, we will provide you offer letter and as also the interns experience certificate with all this training, and it will cost around 50K.
Okay.
And if you do for 3 months, and for 3 months it will cost 30K.
Okay.
Okay. Now, one thing is very important is we'll be helping you out to get job as soon as possible. Okay. So while you will be going through all these trainings, you will be attending interviews also in other companies. The moment you get a job, we'll be issuing the certificate. So you don't need to wait till the entire journey of your training. And even if you are getting the job and you want to continue, that also you can do.
But sir, I just feel like that it is a training internship related program, but I think it is a training placement program.
It is training placement and internship. So internship
Yeah.
for people who come up with the knowledge and experience already.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
For that, that is what I explained you, right? That
Mhm.
if you already come up with that skills and you can do the client work, client job, and that is where, let's say, if I can make use of you and I can put you in some project and you can do that, through that I earn, that company earns, then only company can pay you. That is simple logic, right? So that is how it works. So I'm not basically forcing you as such. So this is how it is.
So
Now
basically,
you
sir, right now,
you
what
think
exactly I'm
about it.
currently doing? Currently, I'm just improve to myself and just applying the role
Ha.
for. Basically, I'm not much more look at the any training related program
Hmm.
because did a graduation. So in that, I have learned a lot of things. But I right now I'm just recover revision to all of the thing for represent to myself.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect. So whatever items I called out, right?
Hmm.
You go through them, practice it, and then you come back to me,
Yeah. Sure. Sure. Sir.
right?
Yeah.
And I recorded our conversation. I will send you this via link. You go through it so that you don't miss it, and practice yourself, and then come back to me.
Yeah. Sure. Sir. Sure. Definitely.
Perfect.
When I represent to myself as a best, that time I call to you.
Exactly.
Yeah. Thank you for your giving time, sir.
Anything else? Any other doubt you have?
Nothing, sir, because a lot of my question answer I got from your side. What is my wrong I'm doing right now, and what exactly which thing I should do,
Right. Right.
practice on it.
Perfect. Very good. Very
Thank
good.
you.
So yeah, all the best to you, Wasim.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Take care.